Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alison, this is Soul Like Dotty, and today is a roundup of what I've got left, because when I did my August plans I kind of made it August/September in the run up to my holiday, but this vlog is what I've got left that I'd like to try and get done next week or this coming week, and then some things after that that I've got planned that I'd like to do. So yeah, it's kind of broken down into two sections. So if you caught my Friday Souls, you know that I ordered a pattern. It's not the most exciting pattern in the world. Lots of you will have already made it, but I've ordered the bob pants from Stylark. They had a 25% off in the UK bank holiday weekend. I am loving my barrel leg jeans, I've got to say. And my friend Judy's made these, and she said, you know, if you don't like the shape of them, you can adjust them. I've not made them yet, so I'm kind of not sure, but the seam line does come round onto the front. You can see more on this picture than you can in the line drawing. You can see that a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to give them a go. I have ordered some purple linen, which hasn't arrived yet, from Pound Fabrics. If you watched Friday's vlog where I said I was going to shop my stash, I ordered this before, because if I'd been thinking of Heather's words and what have I got in my stash, I would have realised I had some purple twill up there that I could have used. However, I would like to try to get these made. They're a quick make, so I'd like to try and get them made before I go to France. And if I like them, happy days. The lilac and white striped cotton jersey sweatshirt, that's not a sweatshirt fabric, that I shared in Friday's vlog, will look lovely with these in autumn. I might even travel in that as a travel outfit. We shall see. So I've not got the fabric to show you. It is purple. I've used this linen before, or I'm hoping it's the type I've used before, not the type that I got that was horrible from Pound Fabrics. I made some black linen pants and I've adjusted the crotch and I've done things to, they're like clown pants in that black linen that I got from there. But I'm sure this is the type that I got, a different one that I got before that was really nice. Fingers crossed. So also to go with those in the purple, so I hope I do like it, I've ordered a metre of lilac, excuse me, a lilac cotton jersey, just to make a simple near t-shirt. Now I don't really need this to go away, so if I don't get this made next week, it's absolutely fine. I just thought the purple and the lilac would go nicely together. I mean, it's an hour cut and sew the near t-shirt, so it might happen, just really depends. One of the things that I've already got cut out but isn't a must make, but I'd like to get it made before I go into winter time, is my caftani self-drafted dress, which I've literally got ready to go in a project bag in this. I might have shared this last month, in this fabric here, which is a Nerida Hansen, I think it's a viscose, which I got in the Fabric Godmother, I don't know, Christmas sale maybe, I can't remember when it was. That's probably the longest sew out of all of this, possibly, or possibly the next thing is, but I am at Sew Tune on Wednesday, so that could happen then, or I might do the bobs then, I don't know. But we get back Monday night, so I've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I've got 4 days, so if some of this, if it doesn't get done, I'm okay, because I've got plenty to take. But I would particularly like to make the bobs and see what they're like. If the pants and I don't like them, I've got plenty of pants made to take on holiday. It's not an issue. So I will just move that project bag out the way, because I've got the overlocker combs in, I've got everything in, it's all ready to go. I hope that doesn't make the dog bark. Okay, so on hanging up on the door, I've got my Lane pants and Ashton top that I shared on Friday, which is in this fabric from So Much More. And you'll know that I couldn't make my mind up whether to make the Tamarama shirt in this, but I've decided I'd like to, because I think I'll enjoy wearing the shirt and the trousers more than the Ashton top with it. I'll pop that picture in again that I shared last week. So I've got plenty of like white tops that I could wear underneath this, or black. I think for an evening walking around that would be quite nice. It's quite a thin fabric, so it'll be quite cool on an evening. I don't think it'll particularly crease badly. So I'm going to cut out a Tamarama shirt in this. Hopefully I'll get that made. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 things next week. maybe, but the nail doesn't have to be made, so maybe 3 things next week. It's doable. It's definitely doable, but I want to build in a bit of time. So one of the other things I've got cut out for the end of the month is another one of the Atelier Brunette Le Hoodie, not hoodies, in this, I think this might be a viscose jersey, and I think I got it from Pound Fabrics, I don't know, last year, I think. It's just a black and white spot. But it's just been there, sat in my stash. So when I cut the other one out and I liked it, I thought, why not cut it out in that, Alison? So it's literally clipped together, just ready to run through the overlocker. But as I say, this will be an end of the month project when I get back from my hollybobs. So it's literally all clipped together. The rib and everything is all clipped together. Sometimes I think, where do all my clips go? And then I remember. Sometimes I do things like this, and as I'm making it, I clip bits together. I can't find the instructions from this to hold up, but I think it's because I make it without the instructions, so it's in all my, I keep all my instructions separate, and yeah, I don't know where it's at, but it's pretty straightforward. I will put links in the description box, as always, to all patterns that I mention. That is that. I do have a pair of chambray lane pants that I cut out, so I'm like, yeah, I might as well get them made up, because then the only thing I've got left in a clothing wise that's in a project bag that's not made up is my white Mallory sundress, which is literally cut out, and I've started on it. I've not stopped it because I've lost interest. It's just that I've got enough for holiday, so I just think I might as well wait and do that in springtime next year. Other things that I've got in project bags are some pink sparkly fabric to make a bestie bag at some point, and I've also got some silver vinyl, which I was going to make a bestie bag out, but I might keep because I'm looking at other bag patterns. So yeah, coming back from holiday, I've got a sweatshirt and some lane pants in this nice chambray again, which will be a nice weight of fabric to wear in the autumn. I might as well get them made and cut out because they'll fit me now, and I have put the pockets in them when I cut them out. What, I'm sure I have. Why, I don't know. Yes, I did. So I like the pockets in the lanes. It's just to adjust them as I lose weight, it's easier to do them without. So yeah, I'll have like about 10 days when I come back, but I don't want to come back from holiday and feel like I'm on a you know, like in a factory. I feel like I've been on a bit of the production line in the lead up to my holidays. The only other thing I've got that I might make is, let me grab it, the Chiquitita fabric from Guthrie Garney. I'm not in a rush to make this. They've got a little not a challenge as such, but share your makes thing going on in September, which I'd like to support. Now, I was thinking of Drew in this, but I do like that Atelier Brunette Le Hoodie, and I think I might reach for it more in this. I will make some more Drews for sure, but I think I might reach for it more in this. So it's all washed and ready to go, but obviously not cut out. But that's a might get to that in September. And I want to move away a little bit from as much garment sewing. So one of the things that I've done, and I've lost the front sheet off it, so I don't know where that's gone, is Suzanne made me this project pouch and gave me it at Birmingham, and I'd like to make some of these. I think I've watched a few videos, so I've got the feel for like how the construction works. I have downloaded this free pattern, which was from Country Cow Designs, but I think I'm going to make it slightly wider and maybe not quite as high, probably a similar size to these Amazon ones that I've been using, but I absolutely love them, and I think I could get a couple of those cut out and something just to sew that's nice to sew but not garments, because I've got enough right now. I will come back to some more in October, so I'd like to do those. I'd like to do a bit more EPP and like a bit of sewing instead. I want to get my featherweight and do some free motion play and things. So the end of September I'm not as firmly committed to in my plans, because I want to have a bit fun play sew time. Do you do that? Do you feel like you're on a make garment, or do you stop off, jump off that track and do some different things. Let me know, I'm interested. Some people have other crafts that they do. I don't do crochet or knitting, but I am, excuse me, I am enjoying doing my EPP and stuff. So I want to get kind of going with that because I've got all the fabric for that. So that'll sort of kick in end of September and get that done. So yeah, that all feels quite doable. It's all in Stash Hub. A lot of it's cut out. So I think I'll only have that shirt and that sweatshirt to actually cut out. Everything else is cut out, and I could maybe get these cut out tonight. So I've got a bit of a jump start on that anyway, which would be grand, really. So let me know what you've got planned for your September makes. I'm always interested what you're making at the moment, what you're up to, just all that general sewing chat that we like to have. If you're looking at joining my Sew virtual sessions, September dates are a bit scattered because I'm having a week's holiday from Sew virtual while I'm away, and then we come we fly back and it clashes with some of my dates, so I've moved it to a Thursday the week I come back. So if you can't normally get on a Tuesday, look out for Thursday the 18th of September. You might want to come then. I am doing a once a month Saturday morning starting in October. Generally it's going to be around the first Saturday of the month, 10 till 12, but in October it's the 18th because we've got our Sew virtual slash sophisticated evening on the 4th, I think that's right, of October, which everybody's welcome to come along to. There's 25 places if you want to book into that. All money raised is going to charity and it's going to be good fun. So yeah, check out my Instagram for some details on that. I'm going to check out now, and there will be some content coming out while I'm in France. So yeah, I will see you really soon.